my name is Isaac Escobedo. I've been working with Sir Transportation for 11 years now, and I'm going to show you a couple things that we'll look out for when you're inspecting your tires. On the basic walk around, what you want to definitely do is one, check your air pressure. Make sure you're at 100 psi in all tires. If you're below that, you might want to look around for nail, things like that, busted bead. Here at Swift, we have our tread depth is 3/32. That's our pull points. You want to make sure that your tires are within 3/32 of each other on duals. That will cause even wear and help you get the most life out of your tires. And it's good to keep your tires to the pull points about 3/32. That's when you get your best fuel mileage out of those tires. Our customer service is above average, especially in the Phoenix Tire Shop. So you get in, you get out.